This lesson will be talking about matrix. Before you understand matrix, take a look at these numbers. I can arrange these numbers in rows like -1, 6, 3, and 4. This is row. I can arrange it in column -1, 6, 3, and 4. I can decide to arrange it in a square form, maybe -1, 6, 3, and 4, depending on how I want it. This is now in square form. All these arrangements in rows and columns is what we call a matrix. But before an arrangement can be called a matrix, that arrangement must have the same number of elements in the row. For example, now, let's say this is a matrix. How many elements are here? 1 and 2. How many are here? 1 and 2. If you see an arrangement like this, 1, 6, and 4, you will know that we have 1 and 2 in this column, right? This is column, column and column. But here we only have 1 in the same column here, meaning that this arrangement is not a matrix. This is a matrix, this is a matrix, this is also a matrix. This one has only one column. This one has only one row, okay? All this arrangement is called matrix. So a matrix is just a rectangular arrangement of numbers. What can we arrange? It can be numbers, it can be letters, it can be whatever, in rows and columns. That's the meaning of a matrix, okay? Now, in studying matrix, there are things you need to know their meaning. We have the elements, we have the order, we have position of what? An element, okay? Now, let's say this is a matrix. Let me still use this. -1, 3, 6, 4. Let me add it something, maybe 2 and 5, for instance. This is a matrix having what? 1, 2 columns and 1, 2, 3 rows, right? So all these members here, 1, 3, 6, 4, 2, and 5 put together, all the numbers you can see here are all elements. We call it elements. So this particular matrix has 6 elements. Please, if you are new here, I am Eshom of Online Maths. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Okay, so now these are the elements. What about the order? Now, you notice that how many rows do we have here? 1, 2, 3. You write 3. How many columns? 1 and 2. So this is called a 3 by 2 matrix. That's the order. 3 by 2 matrix. You can write it like this: 3 by 2 matrix. This one is called 1, 2, and 1, 2. Okay, 2 by 2 matrix. So you get the order by row by column. Okay, this is how you get the order of a matrix, row by column. So for the position, this is under the first row, right? And also on the first column, first row, first column. Okay, this is second column. This is second row. This is third row. So this element 5 here, if you want to find the position of this element 5, it is in the third row and second column. So the position is 3, 2. This 3-tooth element, that is what it is. For this one, this is second row, first column. So this is 2, 1 element. Okay. For example, this one, it is in the third row, then first what? Column. 3, 1 element. That is how you find the position of an element. So we have the elements, order, and position, and we'll discuss the meaning of matrix in this lesson. So in our coming lessons, we'll talk about the types of matrices and start doing some operations in matrix. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.